Hi, today for the Honor X8 5G, and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So first let's open the box. So what we got here, this is the charger, the supercharger brick, the Honor one, the original with all of the specifications. Also we got here the USB Type-C cable, and on the inside of this paperwork we got here some paperwork like the warranty card, safety guide, and the quick start guide, and the SIM eject tool. So that's it, there are all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.